A Little Spot of Love, written, illustrated, and published by Diane Alber. Everyone needs to be loved. What grows a love spot? Hi, I'm a little spot of love. I'm the feeling you get when you care about someone, or when someone cares about you. A lot. I come from a lot of feelings and emotions. Peace, confidence, happiness, and I can get pretty big. But that's okay, because you never can have too much love. And everyone needs to be loved. When your love spot is big, you feel great about yourself and you treat people better. That's why I want to show you all the ways you can grow a love spot. Let's start with words. Words are very powerful. Saying how you feel or saying something nice can help someone feel loved. I love you. Compliments can grow a love spot. You are smart. You have a great smile. Sometimes it's hard to say how you feel, and it's easier to write it out. Getting a surprise note or letter can help someone feel loved. Writing can grow a love spot. Thank you so much for being there for me when I was sad. It really brightened my day. Words can also help you love who you are, too. Confidence can help you grow a love spot. Today is a new day. I will have a great start. I will listen to the voice inside my heart. I will let good thoughts inside my mind and tell myself, I am brave, I am loving, I am kind. In addition to using words, actions are another way to show you care. When you take the time to do something for someone else, it makes them feel loved. Kindness can grow a love spot. I'll help you clean up. Spending quality time with someone can make them happy and show them that they are important. To show someone focused attention, make sure your eyes are watching, your hands are still, your mouth is closed. Listening can grow a love spot. There are times when it's fun to be silly and giggly with someone too. You can play a game or just hang out. Friendship can grow a love spot. Take time to find things you enjoy too. Finding your peaceful spot can help you grow your own love spot. Receiving something from the heart can help someone feel appreciated. Gifts can grow a love spot. I made this for you. There are many ways to show affection when growing a love spot. Hugs can grow a love spot. High fives can grow a love spot. Fist bumps can grow a love spot. Waving can grow a love spot. Giving a thumbs up can grow a love spot. Now that you have seen all the ways you can grow a love spot, it's important to know that everyone likes to be loved differently. For example, some people like hugs, and some people would rather have high fives. So I would love to know, what is your favorite way to grow your love spot? The end.